Hey there YouTubers, welcome to my orchard videos. How's everyone doing? Well, we're doing another sharpening video on another chainsaw. It's actually my pole saw pruner. I was out pruning yesterday and noticed I'm not getting a very good cut on there, so I decided I'm going to do another sharpening video. So, see if this time I can do a better job of pruning and better job of sharpening. And that way you guys can see what I'm doing this time. Like I promised, I said I'd do another sharpening video. Anyway, I'm going to hook up the trusty sharpener. My battery's charged now. And it is
still cold here. Man, is it cold here. Very unusual season this year. Got my trusty heater going. It's not going to be in here very long. Just want to sharpen this thing up and go do something else because it's just too damn cold to be do much in here. Actually, my bit is getting to be pretty close, ready for replacement. But it'll be okay for this sharpening. I'll have to replace it for next time.
We're in business. So anyways, you want to sharpen the blade too. You sharpen about 25 degree. There's little degree things on there. So depends. Sometimes I sharpen them at 30, but most time it's 25. I like those big chunks in the. So anyways, let's get to it and I'll show you guys how to do it. Nothing. So there you have it. Do both sides that way and the same way, and that's how you do it. So it's very simple to do, nothing crazy. As long as you keep the guide in line with your bar, you're good to go. So anyways, short little video on that. Nothing crazy. And a thing you can do too is you can also take your file, which I've done this already once already, and you take down the hikers down a little bit. So these little teeth right here, right in front of these teeth here. There's more teeth than I got. anyways, yeah, just take the file and just sharpen them down, just knock them down a little bit, and you're good to go. So, by this blade, I think probably one or two more cuts and it's done. So, alrighty, guys, thanks for watching my videos, and more good stuff coming up from my orchard videos. Bye for now.